My name is Sunn Pedersen, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Type 1 Energy. So I'm a plasma physicist and a fusion scientist, a fusion technologist as well. W7-X is the world's most interesting fusion experiment, period. And it's for sure the most interesting Stellarator experiment in the world. So one of the things that W7-X showed was you can optimize the shape of a Stellarator with computers to the degree that it actually confines plasma on par with or better than other fusion concepts. The tokamak really is the leader in confinement, in keeping the heat in the plasma, and W7-X showed it's right on par with that in that parameter, and it's steady state. So that gives us confidence, and it gives investors confidence, the fusion community confidence. The computational results that showed this would happen are real and are borne out in the experiment. So at Type 1 Energy, we are taking sort of a direct shot at making fusion energy a reality. Basically, the fastest route to fusion energy, we believe, is through the Stellarator concept. Stellarators are a way of confining that very hot plasma so that it doesn't touch the walls, doesn't cool down, that you can keep the heat in steady state. It's one of the few fusion concepts that sort of automatically lends itself to steady state operation. It's a complicated configuration where the magnetic field is winding around on something that looks like a twisted donut. What was done on W7-X was amazing progress made on computers that nowadays seem laughably slow. And what we can do today is so much better, but the fact that my predecessors in Germany were able to come up with W7-X with the computational power that was available back then is amazing. Infinity 1 is the next step in optimization and performance from W7-X. W7-X had to be built of low-temperature superconductors, which cannot produce as high of a magnetic field as we would wish for a fusion power plant. In Infinity 1, we're going to show that high-temperature superconductors, which can reach higher magnetic fields, are viable for making stellarators. That's a technology that's going to dominate the future of magnetic confinement fusion. Infinity 2 is a electricity-producing, first-of-a-kind power plant. That's the thing we're really after. So Infinity 1 is assisting optimization of Infinity 2 by giving us confidence in the performance. So we are really standing on the shoulders of giants in fusion in general, but in stellarators in particular. My dream is within a decade, we have net electricity on the grid, one or several power plants, and that this really scales, that we can roll this out and have a substantial impact on the health of the planet and humanity.